So today I thought about doing something a little bit different. Usually I'll put together some kind of a script, I'll have a pre-written presentation, I'll go through something that I've described. Today I just want to play. So I was thinking fun with Excel. This would be a great topic. I thought we should add some more to that. So I made a little bit here, fun with Excel functions, maybe? Nah, instead fun with Excel features. It just didn't quite grab me. I don't like that one so much. How about drop downs? That's what I'm doing with this thing. And I thought, how about just fun with Excel, exclamation point. So I'm gonna go with that one. Anyway, this little button up here, not everybody knows you can just click that and see all kinds of new things, all kinds of different functions. Years ago, this is how I used to play with Excel. When I was in between projects, I'd just flip through these things and see what kind of other functions I could learn. So there's this most recently used list, which is what easy to find out. But there's also text. I like this one. Let's play with this one for now. All kinds of cool stuff in here. I don't know what all of these things do. I only played with a few of them. But char is interesting. If you click it, it tells you returns a character specified by the code number from the character set for your computer. Let's just insert that just for fun. You can see equals char with the two parentheses, and you type in a number here and it does something between 1 and 255. Well, just because I was bored one day, I went ahead and it did it from 1 through 255. If you want the character for the copyright, it's 169. So you just type in equals char, open parent, 169, close parent, and you get that sign, that symbol. Same for all these others. It's kind of interesting piece of trivia there. If you wanted the E with accents, or the restricted thing, or dot, or degree symbol, or whatever these little boxes are for, I have no idea what those are for. But anyways, those are character codes. So that was kind of fun. Oh, common fractions, upside down question mark. Those are all in there. Something else you can play with is this concat. I think there used to be concatenate. I don't know if it's still in here or not. But concatenates a list or range of text strings. So the way that works is you just pick the numbers for the various cell strings you want to do. So if we're going to do that, equals con tab to get con. I'd click on this cell, and comma, click on that cell, comma, click on that cell, and we'd just have all those three cells put together. But I found a long time ago, I found an easier way of doing that. If you just do equals and click on a cell, and then the ampersand sign does exactly the same thing in doing the concatenate function, or concat. But if you want spaces in between them, just do equals, click on the cell, ampersand, quote mark, space, close quote, ampersand, click on the cell, ampersand, quote, space, oops, not star, ampersand. So now we've got spaces in the middle. So that's how that works. That's kind of fun. Another fun stuff to play with, len, length of characters in a text string. So just click on that. How many characters are in there? 15. Well, let's change this one just for fun and put functions back. Now it's 24. How about features? 23. So that's how length works. I should probably change the size of this cell since I'm playing with it so you guys can read it. There we go. Made it a bit bigger. Something else to mess with. Let's go back to my little function window. Another couple of fun ones I messed with. Oh, lower. Just click on that one. And now everything in there is lowercase. You can also do upper. Turn everything into uppercase there. So if I did that, let's change this cell here to match the font there. Let's do equals proper with this one, because that's how I have the other one, puts them back. So if you have data in an Excel sheet that's all capitalized and you want to change the text so it look differently, there's some ways you can do that. Anyway, just some fun tips and tricks for Excel, playing with Excel. In here there's another good one. Oh, let's delete this. And I gotta find, let's put some numbers in there. Let's say here 0.056. There's the percentage there. If you want to just grab a number into a text string, so equals, let's just say I am using a, and you want to grab that. If you just do this, rate, it brings it in at 0.056. Not as much fun as saying I am using a, let's go text, there's the number, and format it, quote 0.0%, close quote, parent. Now it says the 5.6. You have the text around it. So if you ever change your mind, so it's maybe 6.8% instead, it now updates for you. So that's the text function. Anyway, just fun stuff. Well, if you have any other questions about Excel stuff or want to talk more about fun with functions and things, let me know. Or put some questions in the comments down below and we'll see if we can't address them for you. Have a good week.